Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the power 3 for the both sides to cancel about the root. Because we have x, that means I will put number 1 go to the left and we divide both sides by number 3. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one we have 3u squared du. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. Later that we simplify for the both sides. Next, this one we change by u. S we change by this one. The s we change by this one. So 4/3 multiplied by u to the power of number 3 and negative number 1. So u squared divided by u, so we have u in here. And u will go in here. This one we have negative number 7/3 with u. And they will be like this. And now we have the formula in here. And now we have the final answer. So number 3 and number 5 we have 15. Number 3 and number 2 we have number 6. So about u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.